If you're an EAS Discovery user, I'm willing to bet you have not leveraged our most powerful component. Have you ever used our intuitive built-in workflow?
Welcome back to our EAS How-To series. My name is Pat Darche. I'm here with Senior Account Executive Ori Rickler. In these How-To series, we show you the best tips, tricks, practices for how to maximize your EAS asset. For these tutorials, we feature our latest releases, version 9 and 10. 10 being the fully adaptive hosted version of EAS. Everything you know and love about the on-premise EAS, we can now put in the public cloud or private data center of your choice. So Ori, without further ado, what are we talking about in this week's EAS How-To?
Pat, our EAS Discovery users have a problem. Currently, they have a very myopic view on EAS Discovery as well as early case assessment. Legal gives IT a request or a discovery to field, and then they'll do an ad hoc search and an ad hoc export. Really, there's no process right now that they're utilizing in early case assessment to further cull down that data and really split that across multi-departments. The solution is our built-in intuitive workflow.
So what are the primary benefits of actually using this workflow?
The primary benefits of the workflow are distributing the workload across multiple users, promoting multi-department collaboration, customized tags to further eliminate irrelevant data, and web-based access for all involved departments. Guys, I'm just about to jump in to show you how to use the EAS Discovery Workflow. Right after that, you gotta give me a call. This is easily the best, but probably most underutilized component of EAS Discovery. As a prerequisite, you must have the admin permission to design the case workflow. EAS Discovery utilizes a visual workflow design interface that allows the user to create a tag-driven review matrix. The drag-and-drop workflow design interface allows admins to assemble simple or complex processing queues for dynamic management of the case. It lets you define who does what, in what order, and what steps are required for items to move from one process step to the next. You can make the workflow while casework is in progress. To design the case workflow, step 1, in case, select the workflow stage. Step 2, click Add Queue. Step 3, in Queue Properties, Users, select at least one user to be a part of your queue. As this is the first queue, we'll select the admin, who has full privileges in the discovery workflow. It is important to note that there must be at least one enabled user available state in each queue. Step 4, in Queue Properties General, click one of the following options: Generate queue name from users or create a custom queue name. Right now, we can just generate the queue name from the user that we selected. It is important to note that each workflow queue name in the case should be unique, either by having a different set of members or a different custom name. If a queue name is already in use on screen, a warning will be indicated. Step 5, from the menu on the distribution type field, choose one of the following. You can click round robin, which means that the work items in this workflow are distributed one by one to each person in the queue until all items are assigned, and the first user to be assigned an item is chosen randomly. Or you can click least busy, which takes into account the workloads of queue members in all cases to which they may be assigned, and assign items proportionally to those queue members who have the fewest items assigned at the moment. We'll stick with round robin for now. Step 6, click Queue Properties Tags, and add a check mark beside each tag that you want users at this step to be able to apply. Enable the legal hold option if you want users in this workflow queue to be able to add the special tag legal hold to specific items. Step 7, click Save to save all settings for this workflow. All right, guys, there you have it. Now you know how to use the Eas Discovery Workflow. Please give me a call and we'll set up a free consultation appointment and walk you through how to customize your own workflow for your own discovery process and organization.
Ori, thanks for today's demonstration. For everyone out there who's watching, any questions whatsoever, like Ori said, please give them a call today. If you like these videos that we're showing you each week, please don't forget to subscribe. We like making the videos for you. And Ori and I will be back next week to show you another how-to.